A former Newburgh direct service provider is going to prison for 2.5 years after admitting to relentless verbal, physical, and sexual abuse of his dependent clients for 3 years at a Hampden facility. Maine DHHS says the facility has not been licensed with the state since last year. 3 other men have also been indicted. We want to warn you, the details of this case are extremely disturbing. Last month, court records say 26-year-old Zachary Connors of Newburgh pleaded guilty in court in Bangor. Court records say the grotesque and pervasive abuse on the victims, who have intellectual disabilities, happened at Lee Residential Care from January 2019 to January 2022. 47-year-old Rennie Dubois III of Prospect, 49-year-old Michael Slater of Palmyra, and 43-year-old Joshua Martin of Winterport are also charged with multiple counts of endangering the welfare of a dependent person. Court records say Connors was a ringleader in the violent culture that included waterboarding, choking, and sodomy. The records say Connors and Dubois admitted to abusive behavior to investigators. In a statement from Maine DHHS, they say they got a report of a staff member bringing a weapon there in January 2022. Reports of abuse came a few months later. The statement goes on to say, quote, law enforcement took the lead in these cases and asked the department to defer further investigation, which is standard practice, unquote. They say they are deeply disturbed by the information law enforcement recovered. Connors must report to prison at the end of the month. The others are due back in court on October 10th.